Hey everyone, it's Donna. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it's raining. And I am busy, so I'm doing this in my car today. Because I've got too much going on here, and I'm traveling, and anyway, we're gonna do a stitch fix. And this is gonna be, let's get this all out. Talk about it. What box is this? Oh gosh, it's been forever I've been doing this. This is box number 95, guys. 95. Huh. Wow, this is the cheapest box I've had for a long time. If I buy all 5 items in this, it's $178.25. Normally, it's $227, but with a 25% discount, if I buy them all, it's $170, which is really cheap. I've had some boxes close to $1,000, so there you go. Okay, so let's go through, and I'm going to show these to you in the car. I'm not going to do a try-on. I'm too busy, and I am not doing it. So bear with me, though. We've got some cool things coming in the later months of this summer. Hang on, and please subscribe to me, because I'm excited to show you, but I don't want to tell you yet. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, I have a new stylist named the initial P. Huh. Okay, P tries to tell me, I don't know if it's a male or female, about tucking in these tees into some Bermuda length shorts that they've put in here. I wanted some V-neck tops, things for summer. Oh, I got some Liverpool shorts. Okay, so let's show you the pictures and see what we got here. We've got the shorts. These are the Vicky Frey hem denim short by Liverpool, and I'll be showing those to you. I think this is going to be a skort, a light blue skort by Tribal, and I love Tribal. Reebok, I've got an athletic tee that might be fun to try. I have the Market and Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket knit tee, and I'll be telling you the prices here in a minute. And the Pink Clover K-A-L-L-I-Y-A-N V-neck brush knit top by Pink Clover. And that looks almost like a sweater, so I'm not sure about that one. So let's go to the prices, and let's go through this stuff, and let's tear this baby open. And of course, I've got my return bag, so everything you don't want goes back in this bag. And I haven't touched anything. I've been waiting for you guys. So, as always, the seal's still on it. Let me take off my glasses for a second. I'm going to slide my seat back, too. How's that? That might be fun. A little more room. How's that? All right, and together, let's tear this baby open. Interesting. Look at the back of it. That's kind of cute. It's a little band going across. This is by Reebok. It's an athletic tee. This would be stinking cute with some of the things I've got. It's kind of form-fitted. That might be really nice. So let's talk about it. Let's get rid of this piece of crunchy paper and see what it says here. Okay, Reebok. The training supply athletic tee, black, size small, $35, guys. So for $35, this can be yours. Okay. And it has a little Reebok emblem on the top. But that's kind of cute. I'll have to try that on later. Not now. I don't have time. Now this I'm kind of wondering about. It's got pink flamingos all over it. And I kind of like that. I like pink flamingos. Okay, let's see who this is by. This is the Market & Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket knit tee, navy size small, and it's $30. That's a reasonable price. Let's take a look at it. Very stretchy. This may be too big for me. I have to be honest. It looks a little wide and a little boxy for me. But you never know. It's got a little pocket on the front right here. But it is, I like the little pink flamingos. If it was a little more form-fitted, I'd probably go for this one big time. But I'm not really sure. Now, the next one we're going to show you is by Pink Clover. Very, very buttery soft. Oh boy. How many shirts like this do I own? Probably a million. This is the one that's the K-A-L-L-I-Y-N V-neck brush knit top, dark green, small. It's a $40 top, and I do not need this. Very soft, very soft. It's got a 3/4 length sleeve. This would be great for fall, but not for summer. It's almost got a, I don't know, a cashmere feel to it, but it's not cashmere. Now we're coming to tribal. I love tribal stuff, but you have to watch tribal sometimes because it tends to run a little long, especially in their skirts. This is the Remington Slit Pocket Skirt, light blue, size 4, $54. Great price for a tribal. I own a lot of their stuff. It's got the little slip pockets here in the front. The back has no pockets. And it is kind of pleated at the bottom, if you can see that. See those little pleats? There's another on the other side. And of course, inside, let's take a look at it. There are some little white shorts. So that makes it a skirt. I'll be kind of, oh, and in the back, it's kind of pinched at the back to give it some form fitting. And I like that. If this fits, I'll probably keep it. That would be cute with a pink top, I think, or a white top. Any color, really, I think. Well, not any color. Got a lot of colors it would go with. Now we're going to Liverpool. And my last item, this is a size 4, 27 waist. As usual with me. The Vicky Frey hem denim short, indigo, size 4, $68. And so, this is what we have. And I like a 4-inch inseam, but, ooh, look at this, guys. Ooh, I might end up liking that. They're nice and stretchy and comfy. This looks like it may be a little bit more than 4. I think it's more of a 6-inch inseam. I'm not real sure. But it has the pockets on the back. That might be cute. Just throw something on with it. There you go. So anyway, that's my unboxing for today. Sorry I didn't do a try on. I'm getting ready. I'm going to do a front door fashion pretty soon. I'll do a front door fashion. I've got a credit on there, big credit, for people who have signed up under me. So if you go to my front door fashion, please sign up because I get credit on that thing and that helps me put on these videos. And I also have a referral code for my Stitch Fix, but I never use it. But if you see the front door fashion one, please do that because they give me a bigger referral fee for this thing. So anyway, I'm going to sign off for right now. Not sure about any of the items. I can't say there's anything in there that I don't want except the pink flamingo shirt, and that's probably what I'll end up loving the most, tucking it into maybe the jeans and let it kind of slouch out a little bit. You never know what you're going to get until you try it on. That's the one thing that you can love about Stitch Fix and these other try-on companies. Also, I wanted to tell you that Trunk Club has shut down. There's no longer a service for Trunk Club. And I had been thinking about doing a box from them, but I got an email from them saying that they had closed down. So, no ordering a box from Trunk Club. Okay. Anyway, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.